Hey, it's Mel Grant here, and it is Friday. It is video 82 of my summer challenge. And I want you to know, I want to invite you to tomorrow, 1 o'clock Eastern, to radioleverage.com and come listen to the Founders Call. The owners of Traffic Authority are going to come out, and they're going to tell us what's happening, how they survived the storm Hermine last week. It came very close, came right through to Tallahassee, Florida, where their main office is. And we're going to start a new contest. Now, contests are wonderful ways to get into those business habits, right? Even great prizes are wonderful. I mean, I won, 600 free clicks of traffic, and that's awesome. But more than that, I got the discipline to be able to build my business where I have over 300 names on my list right now. So it's a great way. If you're ready to learn and ready to kick off something for yourself, come listen tomorrow. Take a listen, hear what's going on, all the new stuff that's happening, and then hit me up, okay? Find me on Facebook at Mellis Grant 13, and let's talk. Let me see how I can help you. I want other people to enjoy that freedom that I'm trying to build for myself as well. So with that, I'm going to say adios, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay?